In Louisiana, we are proud to be Cajun.
And we're proud to be Creole.
And what does that mean?
It means we dance to the beat of our drum.
It means we grow up learning to play our Cajun and Zydeco music,
Singing French lyrics to the rhythms of fiddles, accordions, triangles, and frottoirs.
It means we cook gumbo, boudin, jambalaya, fricassee.
and we can peel crawfish in our sleep with our eyes closed.
In Vermilion Parish, we believe this culture is the birthright of every child in Louisiana.
And we are proud to pass it on to the next generation of Louisianans in our school.
Launched in 2022, Lâche Pas is a groundbreaking program to immerse Louisiana kids in our language, culture, and our way of life.
Our program is for all Louisiana schools and all Louisiana families.
Lâche Pas is about the culture we share, and the curriculum teaches our students all about the aspects of Cajun, Creole, and indigenous culture.
Now is the time to keep our culture alive for generations to come. So remember, Lâche Pas,
Lâche Pas.
Lâche Pas.